We added this spinner to the garden this year. Isn't that cool? Made pretty well, made really heavy. Should be able to withstand our wind. I'd like to get a few more, maybe next year. August 13th, we're getting some big beef tomatoes. I had double that, but I gave some to my mom and dad. And then we're getting a few potatoes. Actually, this is all I got. But these were just from some leftover potatoes last year that I used, and I don't know, they did okay. I don't really have storage for them, so I'm pretty happy with them. August 17th, we just got done picking a bunch of peaches. Look at those. They're not the biggest because we've had a really dry year, but look at how many we got. Isn't it amazing? And they are very tasty. What am I going to do with them? Well, I'm probably going to take the skins off and put them in baggies and freeze them for smoothies, cobbler, pies, you name it. It'd be nice for the winter. The volunteer green beans are blooming. Haven't had any beans this year, but we're starting to get them. So I'm excited. They do so much better in the fall. You don't get near the bug problems. And you can see the Japanese beetle has been on them, but we're getting to the end of them too, thank goodness. I have been picking my tomatoes, the big beefs, for quite some time now, and they've been really good this year. Excellent. These guys are really heavy, I can see. Look inside there. I won't pick any this evening, but I will pick some tomorrow, and I will show you what I've gotten too indoors. Big beef, pretty happy with them every year. But look how big the plants are. I do not do any pruning. I do like the green foliage that helps protect from sun scald. We got sweet banana peppers galore. I'm waiting for them to turn red. I like them best red. Look at those. Aren't those beautiful? We just have all kinds of them. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with them all. If you got any suggestions besides pickling them, let me know. Look at those. Just really nice. Look at the celery plants. Definitely a little dry, but look at, they're getting stalks on them. Nice. These take a ton of water, but really fun. Definitely can harvest the leaves. More sweet banana peppers. These right here need some watering. I don't know if I told you, but we are in a drought here in our area. So I'm going to have to get some more water to these. But look at them all. There's just so many. These are so easy to grow if you want to grow sweet bananas. I did find a few tomatoes to pick. Let's pick them. These aren't real big, but they're just perfect for our BLTs. You want to get them off before the bugs get to them. Definitely, sometimes there's some bug problems. But I don't think there's going to be too bad. I like to take them when they're about like this, and they'll ripen the rest of the way in the house. I found another cluster. Must have missed these last night, but if you let them go another day, they get really nice and ripe on the vine. That's the way you want them. Ain't those pretty? Check out all the seed radish pods. I think I'll have enough seed for a while. Here's our orange bell. Still green. Takes a little longer in the season. The season's got to be right for them to start turning. Look at those. Aren't them nice? Well, the rosemary did pretty darn good this year. I've been picking some off too to dry. But aren't those nice? This was 3 plants. They're doing really well in this pot. They can handle our dry, but I do water them a little bit every day. Well, thanks so much for watching. Just kind of giving you an update on what I'm doing, all the produce that I'm bringing indoors this year. What a wonderful treat. Even though we've been dry, the well water has did its magic, and it's producing really nice this year. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video. Bye.